What happens when America's most commanding luxury SUV meets European carbon fiber craftsmanship? You don't just get a Cadillac Escalade, you get a moving statement. And today, we're tearing down every curve, vent, and fiber of the 100% carbon LARTE Design body kit. Buckle up. Welcome back to the channel. I'm your name, and if you've ever thought the stock Escalade was too conservative, or maybe not aggressive enough for your taste, LARTE Design just fixed that. This isn't a wrap. This isn't fiberglass with a printed weave. This is genuine, hand-laid, autoclave-cured carbon fiber, and it changes everything. The current generation Escalade already dominates the road with its massive grille, sweeping LED signatures, and nearly 19-foot footprint. But LARTE Design, a German-tuned, globally recognized coach builder known for hyper-aggressive luxury conversions, looked at that silhouette and asked a simple question: what if we carved it from carbon? The answer is a complete aerodynamic overhaul that replaces factory panels, bumpers, side skirts, fender flares, and even the rear diffuser. We're talking roughly 40 pounds of weight savings, but more importantly, a visual transformation that pushes this SUV from executive transport straight into rolling sculpture territory. Exterior deep dive. Let's talk about what actually makes this kit special. First, authenticity. A lot of aftermarket companies slap on carbon vinyl or use cheap composites. LARTE doesn't play that game. Every single panel is 100% genuine carbon fiber, laid in a 2x2 twill pattern, and sealed with a UV-resistant polyurethane clear coat. That means no yellowing, no peeling, and under direct sunlight, that holographic depth catches the light like liquid obsidian. The front end gets a complete bumper replacement with integrated canards, a widened splitter, and functional brake cooling ducts that actually channel air to the massive 6-piston calipers hiding behind the custom-forged wheels. The hood, an optional vented carbon piece that sheds engine bay heat and drops roughly 12 pounds off the front axle, improving turn-in response, moving to the sides. LARTE's wide body flares are 2 inches of track width per side. They're not bold-on afterthoughts, they're seamlessly molded to follow the Escalade's character lines, housing carbon side skirts that taper toward the rear, creating a visual stance that screams motion even when parked. The wheel arches are flared just enough to accommodate 30-inch rolling diameters without rubbing, while the carbon mirrors and door handle covers trim away every ounce of visual weight. And the rear? That's where LARTE really flexes. The factory bumper is replaced with a quad-exit diffuser, integrated into a carbon trunk lip spoiler that subtly increases downforce at highway speeds. The taillight surrounds are carbon framed, and the entire rear valance channels airflow to reduce lift and turbulence. It's functional, yes, but it's also unapologetically dramatic. Aerodynamics and stance. You might be wondering, does all this carbon actually improve performance? Or is it just for show? Short answer, both. LARTE's design team ran CFD simulations before cutting a single mold. The front splitter generates roughly 45 pounds of downforce at 70 miles per hour, while the rear diffuser and trunk lip work together to smooth out the wake, reducing drag by an estimated 3%. In a vehicle that weighs nearly 6,000 pounds, aerodynamic efficiency translates directly to stability at speed, reduced wind noise, and marginally better fuel economy. More importantly, the widened track and lowered ride height, thanks to optional coilovers that pair perfectly with the kit drop. The center of gravity. You're not turning this Escalade into a track car, but body roll is noticeably tighter, steering feel is sharper, and highway lane changes feel planted rather than floaty. The carbon isn't just skin deep, it's engineering, interior and finishing. Step inside, and LARTE doesn't stop at the exterior. While the factory Cadillac interior is already a masterclass in American luxury massaging seats, AKG audio, a 38-inch curved OLED display, LARTE offers a bespoke carbon fiber interior trim package. That means carbon dash inlays, door card accents, center console surrounds, and even carbon paddle shifters. They've paired it with Napa leather contrast stitching, brushed aluminum pedals, and a custom carbon-wrapped steering wheel rim that's thinner and grippier than stock. The installation is clean, factory-matched, and reversible. No glue, no hacksaw cuts. Every panel uses OEM mounting points with upgraded stainless hardware. It's the kind of detail that separates a true coach builder from a bolt-on shop. Driving dynamics. Under the hood, the Escalade keeps its factory 6.2-litre V8, pushing 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque, mated to a 10-speed automatic. LARTE doesn't touch the powertrain on this package, but they don't need to. The weight savings from swapping plastic and steel for carbon, combined with the aero gains and suspension tuning, make the power feel more immediate. Throttle response is crisper. Brake fade is reduced thanks to the carbon ducting and the exhaust note. LARTE offers an optional titanium catback that opens up the V8 as natural baritone without triggering. A check engine light. On the road, it's surprisingly composed. The magnetic ride control still soaks up potholes like a cloud, but the carbon kit's rigidity and wider stance give it a confidence that stock Escalades simply don't possess. It's luxury, but with teeth. Installation, pricing, and reality. Let's talk logistics. This isn't a weekend DIY project. Full installation requires professional fitment, paint matching on surrounding panels, and suspension calibration. Expect 4 to 6 days at a certified tuner shop. As for pricing, a complete LARTE 100% carbon fiber kit runs between $18,000 and $25,000, depending on configuration, forged wheels, and exhaust options. Add installation, and you're looking at roughly $30,000 total. Who is this for? The executive who wants exclusivity without sacrificing comfort, the collector who treats SUVs as canvas, the enthusiast who believes luxury shouldn't mean boring. If you're dropping $100,000 on an Escalade, this kit is the ultimate signature. Pros, cons, and verdict. Pros: unmatched craftsmanship, genuine carbon throughout, functional aero, reversible installation, and a visual impact that stops traffic. Cons: the price tag is steep, installation isn't DIY, and it demands a level of attention that might intimidate casual owners. But for the right buyer, this isn't an upgrade. It's a transformation. Verdict: the LARTE Design carbon fiber body kit doesn't just change how the Escalade looks. It changes how it feels, how it moves, and how the world perceives it. If you want the pinnacle of aggressive luxury, this is it. What do you think? Would you daily this, or is it a weekend showpiece? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more deep dives into luxury performance builds, and hit the bell so you never miss a drop. Until next time, keep pushing the limits. See you on the road.